Let's make some crispy deep fried pickles. This is another one of those perfect recipes, especially for football season or any time of the year actually. What we're going to do is we're going to start off in a mixing bowl. We're going to take half a cup of flour, 2 teaspoons of garlic powder, 1 teaspoon of Italian seasoning, 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper, and 3/4 cup of water. And we're going to mix that together. Now, what we have done already in the past over here, we have our deep fryer set at 350 degrees. And we've also taken 16 ounces of our sliced dill pickles over here, and we've drained them and we've dried them to make sure that there's no liquid on the outside of them. All right, and we're going to continue to whisk this until we get all the little lumps out. Once you get that mixed in together, we're going to take our pickles, and we're just going to toss them in there, and we're just going to mix those all together, making sure that all of our pickles are coated well on each side. In the container here, we have between 1.5 to 2 cups of panko breadcrumbs. We're just going to take our pickles out, and we're going to nicely coat both sides so they're completely covered. And we're just going to do a few of these before we stick them in our deep fryer. Once we get a few of those battered up, I'm going to drop my basket into there. I like to do that because I don't like for my items to stick to the bottom of the basket. If you put the wet, damp item on the bottom and stick it, sometimes I have a tendency to stick to it. I'm just going to take these, drop these in one by one. And we're going to cook these maybe for a couple of minutes. We just wanted to get nice golden brown. While those was cooking, we went ahead and battered the rest of our pickles, but you want them to become a nice golden brown. We're going to then place them on a paper towel to finish them draining, and we're going to finish the process. Once they're all done, serve them with your favorite ranch or your favorite spicy ranch. Enjoy the recipe.